I was gonna go to the gym this morning to go do some stretching, but I didn't feel like driving a mile to the gym. So there's a gym here. There's no swimming pool, which would have been nice to kind of dip in for my injuries from my crash. But I did walk on the treadmill for about like 30 minutes and that helped. So, which is good because it's raining, so I'm not gonna walk around too much. After lunch, I think I'm gonna drive over to the college. Hopefully it'll stop raining by then and maybe I can go walk around and show you again the college because I've done a couple videos on it. I want to go to the bookstore, get a t-shirt, and then that's it. Okay, so let's go to lunch or brunch maybe. My friend's a librarian in my college town. So she was, I think, 2 years older than me. Big theater actress here in this part of Indiana. So yeah, really talented, super nice, and kind of my staple lunch person when I come out. So it's all good. Okay, let me go drive a whole 19 minutes. Everything's real close. I'm only like 20 minutes from Indianapolis. So I'm like not that far. But anyway, okay, cool. Let me go because you're holding me up. You're holding me up. Okay, bye. All right, it's raining, so I'm not getting out, although the rain stopped. It stopped. Anyway, this car is weird. Yeah, so there's the Franklin College sign. I have to find, I don't have it, it's in my storage unit, but I have to find the picture of me when I was 16 and took a picture of this and came out to visit the school in 1995. Anyway, I'm gonna go do a lap and then I'm a little bit early. And then this was my old dorm called Elsie. And I lived there, the old building before it got demolished, but I lived there for freshman and sophomore year. And then they knocked it down and built like a co-ed days in. And they still call it Elsie, but it's like, no, that's Elsie 2.0. We were in Elsie 1.0. They still have a basement. And I swear it was haunted. I don't know. It was so like, it was so awesome. Let me go look, let me go show you the senior dorm where I lived. So this was the senior dorm. This is Dietz Center. That's where I lived for junior and senior year, in the same room actually. And then over here is the, it's still the Eli Lilly Campus Center, the Napolitan Campus Center. I guess it's just the Lilly Campus Center. Anyway, there's the cafeteria. This is all brand new as well. This was rebuilt, I think. And then next to that is Spurlock. So funny, I remember all this. Spurlock, which is the gym with the basketball court and everything. And then there's another fitness center, which I think they're demolishing, where I used to teach yoga. And Jeff, when he came out to visit, he stayed here with me for a few days. And he ate in the cafeteria, and then he ended up fixing the GTO with the, and then helping people do oil changes, which was funny. All right, that's Klein and Hoover. That was the men's dorm. And there was so many stories. I saw a guy like resuscitating a VCR one time. He fell out the window from the 3rd floor. Still the original building. And then over here is the Hamilton Library, where I spent a lot of my time, in a free little library. And then across the way, that's the Barnes, that's the science building. And then there's Johnson Dietz, which is the like 4-person apartments. And I think that's all, and apart from the fraternity houses, I think that's all there is for living. And then over there is the football field. You can't really see it. Anyway, that's the football field. I never went to a football game. We're like NCAA Division III. We were really competitive, but we only had, let me see if it's raining out there. Yeah, it's the Fott Stadium, Franklin College. I never went to a football game, so I was always working on Saturdays. But we had like 100 football players and we only had 900 students. So I don't know why 1/9 of our school was football team. Yeah, they're demolishing the fitness center. I taught yoga for 3 out of the 4 years, like twice a week. And I actually like got credit for it and people got credit for taking my class. So that was great. But I remember Jeff went to the yoga class. A lot of my friends were like, I remember you were the girl that taught yoga. I'm like, yeah, how much pain are you still in? Okay, I'm gonna do a drive-by, but this is the journalism building. This is Shirk Hall. This is where I spent like most of my 4 years. And I used to do work study developing all of the film when we did old style, old school photography. And so I did that for 4 years as my work study job. I had to process the film for everybody so they could print it out in the dark room. And now the dark rooms are like student offices or something, I don't know, professor offices. And this is Old Main. That's our main classroom building. And there's Ben Franklin, who's like significantly more overweight than I think he originally is. And the reason is because people spray paint him and then they just keep painting over him over and over again. Anyway, so that's the whole campus. It's like literally like 2 city blocks. Okay, yeah, so now lunchtime, and then I'll come back after it stops raining and I'll go walk around and try to get into the bookstore. But I'm coming back tonight, but everything will be shut when I'm here. So anyway, someone's tailgating me. I'm sorry, I'm sightseeing. I used to live here for 4 years. All right, oh, I cannot access I want to go to the bookstore. They didn't have any of this when I was here. They didn't have pool tables. All right, let me call security. Okay, I got in. Yeah, this is all new. This used to be a fast food restaurant down here. I'm gonna go in the bookstore and get a t-shirt. I should get like a t-shirt for an activity I was never in. So it's a 50% off. I'm not a Franklin College, I mean, I'm a mom, but I'm not a Franklin College mom, and I'm an alumni. I don't know. Okay. All right, so I got a sweatshirt, really warm for the plane, and kind of a big chunky vintage sweatshirt. She's like, it's vintage. And I'm like, yeah, but vintage now is like the 90s, so shush. Anyway, I'm just gonna go do a lap, walk up to Shirk. I'm gonna be here anyway in a couple hours, so we're gonna end up doing the after party at Shirk. So yeah, I think school is out now. I don't know if they still have classes. It's like lunchtime. But yeah, I think when I was here last time as well, because graduation's next week, maybe it's finals week and classes aren't in session. But yeah, to think that those graduating 2026 were born in 2004. It's like, that just blows my mind. Anyway, walk more, worry less. Don't let them sink. Where's our cut? Grizzlies don't always have to be strong. Oh, suicide hotline. Yeah, that's right. Justice for all. Okay. Where's Ben Franklin? Oh, he's down there. I gotta go take a picture with Ben before I go back to my car, which I think might be illegally parked. I don't know if you need a permit. Anyway, I'm just gonna walk up to Shirk. I can't get into any buildings. They let me in because I was like, I'm an alumni. You know, I'm paid for this college. But yeah, I can't go into the buildings freely like in the 90s because of security, so can't just go walk around. But I can walk outside. It's a very beautiful day, nice and crisp after the rain, about 54 degrees and not humid. So yeah, just gonna go walk off my soup I had for lunch with my friend, and that was really nice, really good conversation. And yeah, so just kind of caught up, and we're still, you know, in contact with friends from school, and a lot of them stuck around, so that's nice. But yeah, I'm just gonna go walk like I used to when I went to school here. It's so nice to be back. It just feels surreal. I can't believe that I spent 4 years here. But anyway, there's the Pulliam School of Journalism. That was my second home. The dorm was the other end of campus, which is like down there. And this is Dame Mall. And they never built. We're supposed to build like a retaining wall with bricks with all of our, like my class in 2000. That was our senior gift. And they never built it. It's like, why did they not build our senior gift? It was supposed to be like a kind of a recreation, like relaxing area with like a retaining wall, so it sloped down. You could like lay on it. They didn't build it. Anyway, I don't know. But they're rebuilding. They're putting the money somewhere. They're rebuilding something. But yeah, all these buildings are new. That's the fitness center they're tearing down. And this is the Pulliam School of Journalism. So, and I'm in heels. So I'm gonna go back to the hotel for a bit, freshen up, get changed, and then come back for this. I gotta repack. I'm gonna pack my bag, got my sweatshirt and a keychain. And they got some really nice stuff in there. A really warm sweatshirt too. So that'll be nice to wear on the plane tomorrow. And I gotta check into my flight, so I gotta see what time I'm leaving. I'm here for the awards dinner and no one's here. So I swear last time I was here 3 years ago that like it started at 6, everybody got here at like 5 for like cocktail hour. So maybe it starts at 6 and then the dinner's at 7. I don't know. But I told my friend, who was the son of the person that we're doing the award in honor of, to be here at like 5:30. So I'm just sitting in this brand new student center, which is really pretty. upstairs waiting. I used to do catering. I did catering for a semester when I was like a junior. I enjoyed making the little butter flowers, but I could not do catering. It was always like the Rotary Club or like the VFW or knitting club or something. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here around the corner. Hopefully somebody shows up. People can't be coming here at like at 6. That's crazy.